everyone, and welcome to another episode of Plants vs. Manila. Today, I want to share with you this actual presentation that I made for a webinar with Mega World. So, last Friday, I was invited to talk about houseplant styling, and they also asked me to share a house tour of our home. So, itong video na nakikita nyo ngayon, this is the actual video na pinrepare ko for that presentation. And I thought it would be nice to share it with you here on YouTube. And at the same time, yung mismong presentation na ginawa ko for them, i-share ko din. So, 7 tips when styling your space with plants. Yan yung topic ko nung nag-guest speaker ako. And that's what we will discuss as well. Number 1, identify your lighting situation first. So para sa akin, even before you start placing plants in your home, alamin mo muna kung ano yung lighting situation ng bahay mo. Pag sinabi kong lighting situation, ano kasi yan? Depende sa kung meron kang south-facing window, east-facing window, and kaya yun important kasi nakadepende doon yung kailangan ng plant mo in terms of lighting requirements niya. So, ito kasi yung nagiging main problem din for people who are starting pa lang with their plant parenthood journey. Minsan, for example lang, gustong-gusto nila yung look ng rubber plant. So, yun ang unang-una nilang bibilin. And then, ilalagay nila sa bahay nila. In fairness naman, yung iba nilalagay sa by window nila. And then magtataka sila, hala, ba't naglalaglaga na yung mga dahon ng rubber plant ko? Tapos biglang, hala, stick na lang siya, namatay na siya. So, bakit kaya? That's because rubber plants need at least a south-facing window at kailangan medyo direct yung sun exposure niya. So, that's the reason why minsan nagkakaroon ng mga plant fail. Yun yung nagiging reason dahil hindi inalam kung ano yung lighting situation ng kwarto na yun or nung bahay na yun at nagsalpak lang bigla ng halaman doon. So, number 2 tip, create your own indoor jungle by placing plants in different heights. So, ayan. Tip number 2, once you get to identify your lighting situation, you can now make a list of plants na babagay sa mga kwarto ng bahay mo. And then, ayan na, pwede na tayo mag-style. So now, tip number 2, best way to style a home with plants is to create your own indoor jungle vibes. And paano ba nakikreate yung jungle vibes na yan? So, pag nasa totoong jungle ka, marami kasing height ng mga plants. Remember, nasa jungle ka, surrounded ka by plants. Merong mga plants up above, may plants na eye level, may plants na nasa bottom or ground covers. So, that should be your guide when you're styling to make it more organic, make it more natural. So, maglagay ka ng mga halaman na medyo nasa taas or matangkad. Tapos may plants na nasa may desk mo, may plants na eye level mo, may plants na nasa floor. Yan. So, tip number 3, create a relaxing, clean, and uncluttered look by being cohesive. So, tip number 3, yung space mo mas magmumukhang put together at mas magmumukhang relaxing and stylish. Pag meron kang, let's say, color palette na sinusunod, kung white lang lahat, or halimbawa, pumili ka ng 3 colors, tapos yung pots mo, ganun din ang mga kulay. Tapos okay din minsan yung mga uniform, yung itsura ng mga halaman. Yun, kasi nakakaganda siya, nakakaaliwalas ng paningin, nakaka-relax siyang tingnan. Yung parang hindi masyadong magulo. So, tip number 4, use a lot of trailing plants. So, maglagay ka ng mga trailing plants kasi ang ganda ng drama niya. At saka parang layered na layered yung look. And the more trailing plants na ilalagay mo, the more na parang may pagka-chic yung dating niya. Very effortless tignan. So, this is the perfect room to show that, no? Ayan, yung guest room namin, maraming trailing plants. And talagang napaka-dramatic ng effect niya. Tsaka nakakaganda siya ng mga walls na medyo boring, di ba? So, tip number 6, the bathroom is the place to be. Yun nga lang dito sa plant tour na to, house plant tour na to, hindi ako nakapag-video sa bathroom namin nung time na to kasi medyo gloomy. So, I will explain this pero wala nga lang akong sample video. Although towards the end, naglagay ako ng konting clip. But I mentioned the bathroom kasi na-overlook siya minsan. Feeling ng mga tao, hindi magta-thrive ang mga halaman sa banyo. But actually, favorite ko maglagay ng plants sa bathroom. Actually, perfect siya kasi mataas ang humidity sa banyo. Tapos pag may window ka sa banyo mo, edi mas okay. Pero kahit naman din nawala, you can put grow lights. So basta don't overlook the bathroom. Perfect maglagay ng halaman doon. And then maybe next time, gagawa ako ng separate video about this. So, the last tip I gave is group plants with different shapes and patterns to create a living art installation. So, para sa akin, ang mga halaman, pwede din siya talagang parang artwork, living art. And the way to create this sort of living art is to place plants na may interesting shapes, interesting foliage, interesting patterns. Sometimes may mga iba pang kulay black, may kulay purple. So yun, nagmumukha siyang art in itself. So yun, if you really want to style your home with plants, that's the last tip I have. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the plant tour and the presentation that I gave. Bye!